All right, guys, this is for virtual students only, and this is the MAP test number 1 study guide. You will be required to take MAP tests every week until we've covered every state in the United States. They will build on each other. MAP test number 1 will only have a few states. MAP test number 2 will have those few states and then a few more. Well, there are a total of 9 MAP tests. In order to pass a MAP test, you can only miss 1 or miss 0. If you miss more than 1, you will take the same MAP test over again until you've mastered it. So you will not move on to MAP test number 2 until you have made a 100 or missed 1 on MAP test number 1. You will not move on to MAP test number 2 or number 3 from MAP test number 2 until you have made a 100 or missed 1. And so on until you get to MAP test 9, and MAP test 9 will cover all 50 states. Each week I will do a video and label the states that you will be doing in the upcoming tests that will be happening that week. For virtual students, your tests will be every Friday. So from Friday, I will give you the study guide and make the video on Friday. And then the following Friday, a week later, is when you'll be expected to take the test. The test will be timed because you are home and do have a better opportunity to look your answers up on the internet, where the in-person students are taking it on paper and pencil in the classroom with no computers allowed. So your tests will be timed in order to help decrease cheating and looking up answers. So with all that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Canvas, and I can help you in any way. Your MAP test number 1 will be next Friday, which is the 22nd. All right, so let's get started. Your first states are, I like to draw an outline around the set of states that we are going to focus on for this period. And so okay, so let's outline the states that are going to be on MAP test number 1. Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and we're going to stop there. We're not going to go over into Tennessee just yet. That will be on another test. Get the rest of Georgia. Get the rest of Florida. So we're going to label on the MAP test. You will be expected to label the state. So here is Florida. You can also use the abbreviation, which is FL. And if you also add the capital, you will receive an extra bonus point for every capital that you write into the MAP test. So Tallahassee, Tallahassee, is the capital of Florida. Next we have Georgia. The capital of Georgia is Atlanta, and the abbreviation for Georgia is GA. Next we have South Carolina, SOUTH. The abbreviation is SC, and the capital is Columbia. Next we have North Carolina. Abbreviation is NC. And the capital is Raleigh. That's an H. R-A-L-E-I-G-H. Raleigh, North Carolina. The last state, you're going to have 5 states on this test. The last state is down here. We're going to scroll down, and it is Hawaii. So we're going to draw a little box. This is Hawaii. The abbreviation for Hawaii is HI. And the capital is Honolulu. So those are the 5 states that you will need to study for your map test on next Friday, the 22nd. So Friday, January 22nd, map test number 1. I will also be uploading a blank copy of this map for you. If you have access to a printer, you can print it out and you can actually go along with this video and draw on it your own map to study, if that's your preferred way. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Canvas. Thank you.